Hi Alpesh, Pen here. Hope you're well. Just wanted to send you a summary of this week's trades. So, following on from our chat last week, I took the Euro CAD trade here when they showed a reversal here as I took and this moved down. Did okay, didn't get out at the bottom, but did okay. So I took that one up and basically got stopped out for break even. Got in there, got in second position, and then it was kept on going down, so I got stopped out. But I'm actually back in again on the buy. This week I started to trade for real, pretty much continuation of previous week's performances. So I finished the week on 4.8%. Couple of nice trades there. Detail is here. If you want me to send you this to look at, I'll attach it to the email. No real change to anything since I started trading for real this week. The performance will show that not much change. So these two tabs are performance summary. The detail will be here, and yeah, just really a continuation. So yeah, that's it. If you want any more detail, come back to me. But hopefully this video has given you the summary of this week. Thanks, Alpesh.